Cleburne Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 1225 Zulu. Wind 170 at 7 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 2,995 inches of mercury. Remarks density altitude 2600.
Cleburne traffic, Cessna 5247 Romeo, turning right downwind for 15. Cleburne traffic.
Approaching runway 15.
Cleburne traffic, Cessna 5247 Romeo on final for 15. Cleburne traffic.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, taking the active 15, departing on 15, turn out to the east, Cleburne. Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor approach.
Cessna 172, 10 east of Cleburne, Charlie Papa Tango, request flight following direct to Tyler, Tango Yankee Romeo 5500.
November 1802 Victor, roger. Maintain VFR and squawk 5133.
5133, maintain VFR.
November 1802 Victor, radar contact 10 east to Cleburne, altimeter 29990.
29990.
November 1802 Victor, contact approach on 125.2.
125202 Victor. Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 5500.
1802 Victor, regional approach, altimeter 29901.
901.
Assembly the Berry 2 arrival, that maintain 300 knots, altimeter 29990.
Alright, Assembly the Berry, accept 300 knots, American 2560. 22 is with you, 240.
Sorry guys, I was up line, who was that?
Airshare 322, 240.
Airshare 322, forward center, Roger, center, maintain 13,000, the negative shots, altimeter 29990.
Down to 13,000, Airshare 322.
Longview approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 5500. We have Juliet at Tyler.
1802 Victor, Longview approach, roger. Number 02 Victor, begin your VFR descent, maintain at or below 4,500.
Maintain at or below 4,500. We'll begin descent to Tyler.
Taxi 318, traffic 7 to the southwest, eastbound, Skyhawk descending out of 5,000.
The TCAS, we're looking at Taxi 318.
Number 02 Victor, traffic at your 10 o'clock and 7 miles, maneuvering is a King Air at 6,000.
Looking for traffic, negative contact, 02 Victor.
Information Juliet, time 1253 Zulu. Wind 1806, visibility 10, sky is clear. Temperature 270.19, altimeter 299.5. Visual approach, runway 22 in use. Advise on initial contact to Juliet.
Tyler Tower, Skyhawk 02 Victor, 1802 Victor, 10 west, landing at, we're at 4,000.
Over 1802 Victor Pound, Sarah, report a 2 mile right base, runway 22.
Report 2 mile, right base, 422, 02 Victor. Tyler Tower, Skyhawk 02 Victor, 2 mile final, 22.
November 02 Victor, you're number 2, runway 22, clear to land.
We're number 2 for 22, clear to land, 02 Victor.
November 02 Victor, stay attention.
Johnson Aviation.
November 02 Victor, turn right on Foxtrot, left on 31.
Right Foxtrot, left 31 to Johnson, 02 Victor.